Well, finally, the guy broke the bolt. That was probably the hardest bolt I ever had to break. Using big breaker bar and converters down to this core. Finally got it. I almost hurt myself doing it, but at least I got it. So that's the lower chamber. Upper chamber has been emptied. Now we're going to empty the lower chamber, what's left here, and then I'm going to cycle some full synthetic through it as a flush, and I'm going to fill it with the Honda hydrostatic fluid. So that was clear, apparently. It's no longer years and years and years. It's crazy. It also is missing a lot of fluid as far as I can tell. I mean, that's not near a full bottle, minus what's there. I mean, in there and a little bit on the floor, but I don't know. I think it's missing a lot. That may be why it's not driving the axle. I'm not sure. Because the axle's not spinning, and one of the guys on YouTube, the guy who took it apart very well, his rear axle spins when he spins it with the impact driver, so that's the goal. Is to watch it spin. You know, when you engage the engage here, where my pinky is. But, all right, well, I'm gonna finish this, cycle through it, and we'll be back.